Hey guys, welcome back to RT Pro. I'm Everett. This is our RZR 900. As you remember in our previous episodes, we did our lift kit and wheels and tires. This episode, we're going to go over here and show you this G-Force off-road racing seats and harness that we're going to install today and talk a little bit about. So the first thing I noticed were these seats that really fit the theme that we're going with this RZR. They're black and orange, which it looks really cool. They come in 6 different colors on their website, and also they do a custom made seat if you call them. First thing I want to talk about is that these are made from a heavy duty marine grade vinyl and foam. They have the cutouts up top for your harnesses, and they have the plastic cutouts so they won't wear on the seat and from the harnesses rubbing. The next thing you can see is it's got a removable bottom seat cushion for easy cleaning, and if you need to replace it over time, you can do that. It's very easy. Another thing I like about these seats, and this reason why we went with these, are these heavy bolster sides to keep you in the seat, along with the hip cutouts to help you with the harnesses to keep you strapped in as well when you're hauling ass through the trails and stuff like that. This will keep you in nice and safe, and it'll also be very comfortable. You can also tell right here that these seat cushions are very thick and along with the backs. The next thing is that these have a very hardened steel frame, so if you get in a wreck or anything like that, they're not going to come busting out of the RZR. Now over here, we're going to talk about our safety harnesses. These are G-Force off-road, and we went with these also. As you can see, these come with a foam padding on the strap. If you ever had a harness that didn't have foam padding, you're going to want these. These will keep you comfortable all day long and help distribute the load on an impact if you do wreck your RZR or side-by-side. Now you can see that these come with the steel adjusters. These will not get locked up with dirt and grime unlike aluminum adjusters. And you can see that these come with a very easy buckle. They're not like a latch and link buckle where you got to have 5 different things in there. It's just a easy click and you're done. So let's go back over the RZR, install these seats, and then install these harnesses, and let's go have some fun. Now that we got the seats installed, this was a pretty easy install, straightforward. They come with really good instructions. This feels like I can go tear up the trails, and I'm going to be very comfortable. I'm not going to fly around in the seats like those old stock RZR seats. So I can't wait to see how these perform, and I love the orange and black accents, so it kind of ties in the rest of our RZR. So stay tuned for our next episode. We're going to install our RT Pro roll cage. So I'll see you guys next time. So G-Force Off-Road really provides a lot of great product, like these seats and the 4-point harnesses. RZRs don't have a whole lot of storage capacity, so G-Force also offers these zippered bags that go on the door. You can hold your phone, your wallet, and also you can hold a spare dry belt if you need to. They're waterproof, or water resistant, I should say. You can power wash them, no problem, and they'll hold up to the longevity of your RZR. So.